Chasing ghosts in every crowded street, hoping to find something real within this heat. Louder than the silence between us two. Every moment feels like it's slipping away from view. Your name is written on the back of my phone screen. 1,000 messages I'll never send again. The neon lights flicker like broken promises. I chase the silence where your laughter used to be.